Good morning, children! Today is the last day of our 21 days reading program. I hope you have learned and have read a lot. Our lesson for today is about reading short and easy sentences. Are you ready, children? Children, I want you to read after me. Repeat after me. The cat is on the mat. The cat is on the mat. The bag has a tag. The bag has a tag. The ham is in the pan. The ham is in the pan. The man has a hat. The man has a hat. The rat is on the cab. The rat is on the cab. The lad has a cap. The lad has a cap. The dad has a red van. The dad has a red van. Ted fed his hen. Ted fed his hen. The man digs a pit. The man digs a pit. Kim is on the hill. Kim is on the hill. I sip with my lip. I sip with my lip. Kid got 6 pigs. Kid got 6 pigs. John has a pet dog. John has a pet dog. The sun is hot. The sun is hot. The boys run to the hut. The boys run to the hut. It is fun to swim in the tub. It is fun to swim in the tub. Excellent! Children, please read after me. The pail is in the rain. The pail is in the rain. They row the boat gently. They row the boat gently. Did Kate bake a cake? Did Kate bake a cake? The goat is on the road. The goat is on the road. We see 5 sheep in the lake. We see 5 sheep in the lake. I wear a coat made of goat. I wear a coat made of goat. She loves to eat a pie. She loves to eat a pie. I took a ride on a mule. I took a ride on a mule. I ate a sandwich meat. I ate a sandwich meat. Let us ride on the bike. Let us ride on the bike. Children, you are excellent. See you tomorrow for our next video lesson. Goodbye.